Feeling cramped in the big city? A little more feng squeezed than feng shui? Manhattan Mini Storage is your storage solution. So how does it all work? Achieving storage nirvana is easy. You can reserve on the website, call 212-STORAGE for the customer service center, or just visit one of the 17 neighborhood locations across Manhattan to sign up. Rent space for as long as you need. To put your items into storage, you can either move it in yourself, use our fleet of free storage shuttles, or take advantage of our moving concierge, who will connect you to a team of professional movers. You might even qualify for a free move. Plan ahead and you can schedule the free shuttle for your move-in, or sign up on site and store your stuff right on the spot. Locations offer free off-street parking and loading docks, along with free carts and dollies, all to help make moving even more stress-free. When you arrive and are checked in the first time, our team members will provide you with your own key card for access to your storage floor. Protect your stuff with a lock of your choice. Each location even sells locks if you need one. We also have packing and storing supplies, and even free rolling racks and shelves. Everything you need to store your stuff and customize your space neatly. Access is also a breeze. Manhattan Mini Storage features extended hours, and many locations are open 24/7, so you can always get your stuff when you want it. Automatic monthly payments make it even easier. And with online access, you can manage your account from anywhere. As an added bonus, every self-storage customer can take advantage of our free package acceptance service, so you'll never miss an important delivery. Whether you're moving, storing seasonal or business items, doing a little renovating, or you just need a little more breathing room, self-storage is a great solution.